nature at Walden Lake. Emerson and Thoreau's ideals.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. I feel commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to say it.
What's up, 8th period English? It's Corey, and I am beginning my nature walk. Hi, Miss Morgan. Sucks. Hey, I'm doing my nature walk, and it's freaking cold. Sorry about that. Seriously though, it's freezing out here. I mean, I'm here at the pond just like Walden and Emerson, and I mean, first of all, the lake is completely frozen. Holy shit, talking cats. Look at those. Okay, I've just spotted a fleek of, or what? Okay, I just spotted a flock of, like, geese or moose, or not moose, what the hell? Like turkey slash ducks, and they're all just sitting there like sleeping in the cold. I'm gonna go scare the hell out of them. As you can see, that didn't really work. I think it's too cold that they don't even really care that I'm with them. So they kind of like let me join their group, but they're a bunch of thugs. So I'd stay away from them if I were you. It's Corey, and I'm here at Walden Lake, and it's freaking cold. Sorry about that. We had a little loss of integrity, I guess. Anyway though, it is really cold here and miserable. I don't really see what I'm learning. Maybe I'll learn it by the end. Better get an A on this freaking project. I actually cannot feel my own anus. Man. Power of nature, right? Whew. I think my problems will be solved if I just take a walk and think to dust in the wind.
I close my eyes only for a moment, and the moment's gone. All my dreams pass before my eyes, a curiosity
You know, coming out here really actually does make you think a lot about the things that matter in life, stuff that are the distractions. Emerson and Thoreau actually were really, not crazy. They had these ideas, these dreams, and they went and they lived up to them coming out here in the wild. And I really think they were right on what they were meaning by what is the true meaning to life, what makes you happy, and definitely happiness is one of the key factors. And being out here in nature, it's really just being away from all the distractions like money and cars, houses, toys, the things that matter in life. A good job, of course, it helps a lot, but the real stuff is like family, friends, happiness, all that love, all that stuff. It really just makes you think when you're coming out here. Emerson and Thoreau really knew what they were talking about when they said that going and creating your peace with nature, it really helps you discover what the true meaning of life is and what to do in your life, what things to have, and what are the distractions from what keeps you truly happy. I think I'm starting to believe all that stuff myself too. Not. Ha. Now, finally coming back to civilization. Hope you enjoyed, and I also hope you learned something.